You see, that mold, you only see it when it's to its reproductive stage. So it's already developing before you can even see it with the naked eye. There are 4 ways that mold can get into the body. One is through the skin. So if there's a moldy orange in your bowl at home, don't touch it with your hand. Don't breathe it in. You can breathe it in. Get tongs and take it outside, put it in the compost bin. So it can come in through your skin, you can breathe it, and you can eat it. It can come in ingestion, and it can be sexually transferred. If you go to a medical textbook and look up myco, you will look up page after page after page of different diseases that have a myco prefix, meaning they're coming from fungus or mold. And the body can heal itself as long as you give it the right conditions. And the body is also very forgiving. I'm constantly amazed at how bodies respond once they're given the right conditions.
Parasites are sneaky invaders that can cause fatigue, digestive discomfort, and even weaken your immune system. The good news? You don't need complicated remedies to combat them. Simple natural foods can help cleanse your body and restore your health. Today we're diving into 5 powerful snacks backed by science and health expert Barbara O'Neill that can help eliminate parasites while boosting your overall well-being. Stick around to the end for tips on how to incorporate these snacks into your daily routine seamlessly. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most effective parasite-fighting snacks: pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are small but mighty. They contain cucurbitacin, a natural compound with anti-parasitic properties. Cucurbitacin paralyzes parasites in your digestive system, making it harder for them to cling to your intestinal walls. This allows your body to naturally eliminate them through your stool. Rich in zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats, pumpkin seeds also nourish your gut lining, which is crucial for preventing future parasite infestations. On top of that, they're packed with fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, a critical factor when your goal is to flush out harmful organisms. How can you enjoy them? Snack on a handful of raw or roasted pumpkin seeds, sprinkle them over salads, or grind them into smoothies for an added crunch. For a targeted parasite cleanse, you can even try blending pumpkin seeds with water and honey into a detox drink. It's a delicious and effective way to cleanse your gut while enjoying the many health benefits of this nutrient-dense snack. This tropical fruit does more than just satisfy your sweet tooth. It's also a powerful parasite fighter. Papaya, often celebrated for its vibrant orange flesh and sweet flavor, is a true superfood when it comes to gut health. Its parasite-fighting superpower lies in papain, a digestive enzyme that breaks down the protective proteins surrounding parasite eggs and larvae. But here's the real hero: the seeds. Papaya seeds are small, black, and peppery in taste, and they're packed with carpane, a compound that has been shown to target intestinal worms and amoebas. In traditional medicine, papaya seeds have been used as a natural dewormer. To use papaya for its anti-parasitic benefits, eat the flesh as a snack or blend it into a smoothie. For the seeds, you can dry them, grind them into a powder, and add them to your shakes or yogurt. Start with small amounts, about half a teaspoon per day, to allow your body to adjust to their potent effects. Did you know this common kitchen ingredient has been called nature's antibiotic? It's also a powerful weapon against parasites. Garlic's reputation as a medicinal food spans thousands of years. It contains allicin, a sulfur compound that has strong antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties. Allicin works by disrupting the energy production of parasites, effectively killing them while also preventing new infestations. What makes garlic even more powerful is its ability to strengthen your immune system. When you're dealing with parasites, your immune defenses can become compromised, leaving you vulnerable to further infections. Garlic helps by stimulating the production of white blood cells and improving your body's natural defense mechanisms. The best way to use garlic? Crush it to release the allicin and eat it raw for maximum potency. If eating it raw is too intense for you, try mixing crushed garlic with olive oil and spreading it on bread or adding it to salads. For a gentler option, you can roast garlic and use it as a topping for soups and vegetables. Can something as sweet and versatile as coconut really fight parasites? Absolutely. Coconut is one of nature's most effective parasite cleansers. The magic lies in its medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, which has been shown to break down the lipid membranes of parasites, effectively killing them. Lauric acid also boosts your immune system, making it harder for parasites to survive and thrive in your body. Both raw coconut and coconut oil offer these benefits. Coconut oil, in particular, is rich in antimicrobial properties that target not just parasites, but also harmful bacteria and fungi in your gut. For a targeted cleanse, try eating a tablespoon of raw shredded coconut, followed by a glass of warm water mixed with a tablespoon of coconut oil. This combo creates an unfriendly environment for parasites while promoting overall digestive health. This tropical favorite isn't just refreshing, it's also a gut-cleaning powerhouse. Pineapple owes its parasite-fighting abilities to bromelain, a powerful enzyme that helps break down proteins. Parasites often protect themselves with protein-based outer layers, but bromelain dissolves these barriers, making it easier for your body to expel them. Beyond its anti-parasitic effects, pineapple has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe an irritated digestive tract, which is often a side effect of parasitic activity. Additionally, its high water content and natural sweetness make it a hydrating and satisfying snack. Include fresh pineapple slices in your meals or enjoy them as a midday snack. You can also pair pineapple with other anti-parasitic foods like coconut for a delicious and effective combo that supports your gut health. While these snacks can help eliminate parasites, here are some additional tips to boost your parasite cleanse and maintain a healthy gut. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential during a parasite cleanse. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products released by dying parasites. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses a day. Number 2. Pair foods for maximum impact. Combine these snacks for even more benefits. For example, a smoothie with papaya, pineapple, and a sprinkle of ground pumpkin seeds makes a powerful anti-parasitic drink. Number 3. Support gut health with probiotics. While these foods help eliminate parasites, it's also important to replenish the good bacteria in your gut. Include fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or kefir in your diet to restore balance. Number 4. Consistency is key. These snacks are not a one-time fix. Incorporating them into your regular diet is the best way to prevent parasites from returning. Parasites can have a huge impact on your health, but the right foods can make a world of difference. By adding pumpkin seeds, papaya, garlic, coconut, and pineapple to your diet, you're not just fighting parasites, you're also nourishing your body with powerful nutrients. Which of these snacks will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips on staying healthy naturally.